Okay. Okay, baby, today is July 2nd, and we're going to try your very first baby food for the very first time. It's applesauce. Are you ready, baby? Are you ready? I think you're going to like it. It's 11:35 a.m. Okay, Papa, here you go. Here you go. Let's get it in the mouth. What do you think, huh? What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that? Is that good? Huh? Let's pick this up right here. What do you think about that? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? I think you like it. I think so. I think you like it. Hmm? Want some more? Hmm? Ah. Want some more?